Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your voicemail password on your iPhone, even if you forgot the old password. So let's show you how simple and easy it's to do it. First thing is, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a setting on your iPhone. Now once you open up setting, just simply scroll down to your phone setting here. You're going to be up here. You're just going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom up here, right? Once you're at the bottom here, as you can see, there's an option to change voicemail password. Now if I click on it, it's going to prompt me for a new voicemail password, and you see it doesn't require your existing one to change it like most password requirement does require your existing one. This one doesn't require that, so go ahead and enter your new password that you like to set here. So I'm just going to enter one, for example here, and it has to be at least four numbers or larger, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do 4 or longer, so I do that, hit again, re-enter it, and then hit done, and it's going to save. And that's how you change or set it. And as you can see, your PIN was changed. It also gives us a message just like that from our carrier. Now if you don't see this, some carriers don't support that, so most carriers do, but you might sometimes not see that because of that. But I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.